Okay. So it's the comet part one, and in this, what we have already studied is the first part. Yes, and you know that it's a amateur scientist, amateur astronomer. That's Manoj Datta who discovers, yes, the comet. And when he discovers this comet, the British scientists they study about this comet and they find that this comet was going to collide with the Earth and it was going to have catastrophic consequences. So the whole Earth was going to get destroyed. The first part is dealing with yes, how Manoj Datta was very keen, very much interested in stargazing, and then how he discovers this comet because of his interest in stargazing. And his wife is Indrani Devi. So some of the words which you may have seen, which you can just look at them again. Obnum. So having because friendly talk or spending time together. Oblivious, oblivion, forgetfulness. State of forgetfulness is oblivion, and oblivious is forgetful. That's a adjective. So here you can see Manoj Datta with his wife Indrani Devi.
Indrani Devi, sir. Indrani Devi's wife.
Ah, Indrani Devi, yes. So here he is not bothered about the practical problems. That means though it's a cold, he's not worried about that. It's a month of December. It's a winter. Even then he's not worried about that. And what was the telescope called? It was called Dibya Chakshu, divine eye. So till the
So
time
divine,
others joined, I was just yes trying to tell you what we have studied so far. Okay. Yes, somebody can add to that. If you have got in doubt, you can ask. So Indrani Devi, how she feels about this telescope, and she wished that you would have never discovered this, comet. Why? Because whenever the comets appear, it is believed that, or there was superstitious belief that something disastrous is going to happen. And though Manoj Datta felt that nothing of that sort would happen, the British scientists, yes, came out. He wrote a research paper and he did a lot of research on this comet and he found that the collision was inevitable. Now, tete a tete, that's a talk between two persons or a private meeting or private talk. That's a tete a tete. So, having a tete a tete with whom? With the telescope. So both having private meeting. Okay. Now your astronomer is the one or scientist who studies the sun, moon. So the one who studies heavenly bodies. So we are just having a look at that whatever we have studied. So now Nabin Babu is a doctor. So in case if you don't take care of yourselves, Nabin Babu doctor will advise you to what to do to have a bed rest. Okay. So here, Dattada was, was quite optimistic that he was very much optimistic. Means he was quite hopeful that one day he would be able to discover the comet, and he was able to discover the comet, and that was a big news. Kolkata man discovers new comet, and this new comet is named after Manoj Datta. No, Halley's comet. Halley's comet is named after the scientist Halley. So similar way, these comets are named after these discoverers. So here this comet, new comet, was named after Sri Manoj Datta, who was amateur. Oh, yes, he was amateur astronomer. IIA, so that's Indian Institute of Astrophysics. So eccentric. So the orbits of the comets, they are eccentric, they are unusual, they are elliptical. So sometimes they will come very close to the sun, and when they are orbiting, so yes, sometimes they'll be very close to suns, and so sometimes they'll be very far away. So they will not follow particular trajectory, and it will be unusual trajectory which is followed by, yes, these comets. Whereas the planets or asteroids and all, they have a particular path, they have a particular trajectory, there is a particular way, which they'll be following it. Whereas the comets, their trajectory, or they when they are orbiting, their path, that will be very unusual, very uncommon. So sometimes they will come very close to the sun, and sometimes they'll be far away when they are moving, receding, going back, disappearing. Yes, optimistic, hopeful. Okay, right. So what is opposite of optimistic? Opposite of optimistic is pessimistic. Here he goes on checking. Yes, he goes on checking whether there are any marks, because he finds something very unusual kind of thing there in the sky. And what is that unusual thing? That is the comet.
Comet, sir.
Okay. He is able to find the comet there.
You comment.
So, yes, the glass which is there of this telescope, he goes on checking, and he was very, very meticulous as far as his calculations were concerned. So, meticulous means what? Careful and exact. Okay. So, now here we are here, yes, at the second part of this story. And what we'll do, whatever we have seen, I will not go to that part, but I will go to the remaining part, and I will try to complete today this second part of this first, the comet one. Okay. So we have seen that here we are introduced to, yes, Dr. Fawcett. So is Dr. Fawcett. Dr. Fawcett is James Fawcett. So sometimes is referred as James. So James Fawcett, and he's called, see, James Fawcett, what he has done, he has written a research paper. And after writing that research paper, what he has done, he has sent that research paper for publication. For publication in what? In Science magazine. And what is the name of that magazine? Name of the magazine is Nature. But what has happened, rather than getting it published in that magazine, the editor of this magazine, Taylor, what he has done, he has informed about this article. To whom he has informed? He has informed to, yes, he has informed to Sir John. Now, when he has informed to Sir John, now Sir John is worried over that very much. And when then after that, what Sir John says, he calls him. Sir John calls him, and they are having a talk. Yes, they are having a talk over that. Yes, John Macpherson brings him defense. He's a defense advisor. He brings him to Sir John. Sir John is a scientist, and then after that they have a talk about that. So here James is very much surprised how that article is there in the possession of Sir John. Then Sir John says that the editor of this magazine, Taylor, he has informed him about it, since this article, yes, is a very, very significant article which should have never been published. Why? Because if it is going to collide, if the comet is going to collide, then what is going to happen? It's going to have catastrophic impact, catastrophic effect. The whole world is going to be destroyed, and all over the world, there will be panicky situation. Everybody would be in panic. So James would never have tolerated aspersions. So he would have never tolerated the harsh remarks, aspersions, harsh remarks. So he was sure that whatever he had, yes, done the calculations and all, they were all correct. Okay, so here We have completed up to this. Let's go to this part now. Let me assure you, Sir John. So let's go to the next page where we are stopped. So let me assure you, Sir John. So he tells yes, this scientist that it is correct. So whatever I have predicted, my predictions are correct. It is going to collide, yes, with the earth, and I stake my reputation on it, and I bet my reputation, my fame. See, I have got name and fame, and whatever research I have done in the past, I am yes, yes betting on that. James could not contain himself anymore. So he was not able to control all that. And do you realize what will happen if comet Datta collides with the Earth as you predict it will be? So if your predictions are true, then what will be there? What will happen? The effects will be catastrophic. The effects are going to be disastrous. If the comet is going to collide, then what is going to happen? There's going to be disaster. What disaster is going to be there? Yes, the Earth is going to be destroyed. That is why I have taken extra care to verify my calculations. So, whatever calculations I have done, I have been very, very careful, I have been meticulous, and I am quite sure that it's going to collide with the Earth barring rare circumstances, leaving rare circumstances, barring except rare circumstances, in some rare circumstances, what is going to happen? The collision is inevitable. If we leave those circumstances, if yes, the comet collides with something else on its way to the earth, then definitely what is going to happen? Probably, yes, it will not collide with the earth. James was confident, but Sir John picked out the one qualifying phrase. What are those rare circumstances? So, what are those rare circumstances? Well, it might collide with some asteroid before reaching here. So, if it clashes with asteroid, so you know about asteroids. So asteroids are again, it contains some metals, it contains some rocky materials. Yes, and they are all
Yes,
there,
sir.
orbiting in the space. Whereas in the case of yes, comets, they contain even dust particles, and even they contain ice, and that's why you are able to see that longish tail because that is a gaseous state. That's in the form of vapor. So it can be ice. So and remember, it's a gravitational force within that comet that will be pulling. Comet. What do we call in Hindi? धूमकेतु. जिसको हम हिंदी में धूमकेतु बोलते हैं, कन्नड़ा में भी धूमकेतु बोलते हैं उसको. And even in Marathi, it is called as धूमकेतु. I think in your language
Yes,
also
sir.
it is called Indian languages. It's called
Dhumaketu.
as Dhumketu. Right. So
Dhumaketu.
this comet, yes. So this comet, and the appearance of comet, it is in Indian astrology. It is believed that yes, it is going to have disastrous effect. So the effects of this is going to be catastrophic, and what is that? The whole Earth is going to be destroyed. Well, it might collide with some asteroid before reaching here, or it might collide. Okay, that's one particular rare kind of circumstances. That is, if it collides with asteroid, if there's a collision with asteroid, what is going to happen? Then definitely it will not collide with the Earth. That is one thing. Or it might just split up when near the sun, or it might evaporate. So, due to evaporation, you can see that longish tail. So, it might evaporate. And what does it contain? It contains dust particles, it contains rocky materials. Yes. But one can't count on these fortuitous circumstances. So, these are the ones, chance circumstances. These are the ones, rare ones, accidental ones. Fortuitous means what? Yes, by chance accidental ones, we have to proceed on the assumption that comet Datta will collide with the Earth. So it is assumed actually it is moving towards the Earth and it's going to collide. It's going to take 10 more months. Cometary collisions are expected to occur once in 10 million years. So it's a very rare kind of phenomena, the cometary collisions taking place. But now we know that the next one will occur in a year. So within a short span of time, it's going to occur. 10 months to be precise, interjected James, and James made it very clear that it's going to be within 10 months, it's going to collide. Thank you for the correction. Do you realize that we have only 10 months of survival left for the entire living species on the earth? See, you have discovered that, or you have invented about that, or you have made the calculations. But don't you think we have to do something to stop all this? But we have to do something to see that it doesn't collide with the earth. Otherwise, we all are going to be, yes, destroyed. A fleeting smile, so a smile that was for short period, a transient one, a fleeting smile crossed James' face. So there was a smile on the face of James. See, James has done a lot of calculations and he has found out that this is going to collide with the earth, and this collision was going to be inevitable. Just like a civil servant, as if we are facing here a minor breakdown of law and order. So this is not a minor problem, but it's the collision is going to have catastrophic, yes, impact. And what disaster was going to happen? The whole earth was going to get destroyed. Aloud, yes, he said, how may I ask, can we prevent this natural catastrophe? So it's going to be natural calamity, natural disaster, but how can we prevent this? And it is going to be a rare kind of thing. But though it is going to occur millions of years, no, once in millions of years, now it's going to occur within 10 months. And how can we prevent that? How can we stop that? That is a question there. I don't know, but we have no option but to try. I don't know what can be done. I think we need more than two brains to handle this situation. So we require more scientists to, deal with this, more brains to think about that. So more brains, so maybe, bureaucrats, advisors, yes, politicians, scientists. So all these have to be brought together and they have to work out on that. It is essential to call an urgent meeting of experts from all over the world to think of a countermeasure, and of course in total secrecy. So what can be the countermeasure? So what can we do to stop the collision of the comet with the earth? So the measures, the countermeasures that we can undertake in order to prevent the collision of the comet with the earth. Okay, and of course in total secrecy, and it has to be in total secrecy. It has to, yes, undertaken in secretly. Think of the panic in the world if this dreadful news leaks out. If this terrible news is leaked out, then what will happen? Yes, there'll be great fear that will spread, panicky situation in the whole world. Sir John glanced at the manuscript in James' hand. So, whatever the manuscript that was there in James' hand, Sir John looked at that. My suppressing this paper will not hide the truth, Sir John. So, if I suppress this truth, if this paper is not published, what, this will not hide the truth. The truth is going to be known by everybody. The others who will arrive at the same conclusion sooner or later, when they do that study, they'll soon come to know that there is going to be collision. So other scientists will talk about that. They will soon discover about that. So countermeasure means steps that can be taken in order to stop it. So counter in the opposite direction. No, do not suppress it, but tone it down. So whatever you have been talking about that, so don't tell that it's going to collide. The tone of your, tone has to be down, or whatever the tone that you have used there in the paper, in the research paper. And many ifs. If it collides, then what is going to happen? But but then what can be done to make your conclusion appear not so certain, not so sure? If that is the case, then what will happen? People will not fear, otherwise Due to that panic situation, many might die. There'll be a panic situation. I will exert all my influence with friends in other countries to make them exercise a similar restraint for a while. So we'll approach all other scientists of different countries and we'll try to yes, influence them and we'll tell them not to publish the paper, not to create panicky situation in the world. For how long? Until this Richard comet is safely out of the way. Till the time we are able to, yes, make some countermeasures by which we can stop this comet colliding with the Earth. Let us spend some time now to plan the details of this international conference. So let's come together and let us have the international conference of the experts who will be able to deliberate, yes, and who will be able to come out with some countermeasure, yes, measures by which they can prevent the collision of this comet with the Earth. Shall we call it in a week's time? Shall we do it fast? Because yes, there is a very short time that is left. Only 10 months are left. A week to plan such an important secret conference of international experts. Only 1 week. And within that week, secret conference of the experts. And that too international conference. James thought it an impossible task, but Sir John disagreed. But Sir John, he says that it is not the case. Yes, we can do that. We can bring them together and began to spell out details. And then he started telling about the details. So, what is planned now? Secret conference is planned. And secret conference, so it's going to be international conference. And what are they going to discuss? They are going to discuss about the collision of the comet with what? The collision of the comet with the, yes, can you tell? With what? With the Earth. Yes, let's discuss
Yes,
the
sir.
questions. Tell. Uday, anything you want to say?
No, sir.
Now, can you let's see the questions here? How did Sir John get hold of James' original manuscript? How did Sir John get James' original manuscript? Yes, Taylor, the editor of the magazine Nature, was his close friend, isn't it? Yes,
Yes, sir.
and he
Yes,
could get it.
yes, sir.
Right. So you can give the answers for this. Okay. What is the important point the paper makes? What is that important point the paper makes? See, Manoj
So
Datta
the
has
important
discovered
point
the
the
comet.
paper makes it.
Yes. What is that important point this research paper is making? Can you tell the answer for this?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Collision.
it is making a
Yes,
new.
Ashutosh.
Sir, that a
Yes.
comet is going to hit the Earth within
Yes, the
within ten
comet is going to hit
months,
the
sir.
Earth. It's going to collide with the Earth. The collision of the comet with the Earth. So the paper, yes, points out about that. The paper discusses about the collision, which was going to be inevitable, unavoidable. Okay, I hope you got it now. The answer for the second question. Okay, let's go to the third question. Why does Sir John say that James' paper should not be published? In case if this
Sir,
paper is
because
published, what
if
will happen?
everyone get
Yes,
to know
Akash.
about comet,
Yes.
sir,
There will
everyone will
do a
panic.
panic, sir.
Sir, then says
Sir,
that
there
they
will be
should
panic in the societies.
Yes.
because
Yes,
they
there will
should
be panicky
they
situation in society. Yes,
panic of the
people, yes, yes,
society.
and because of that panic, many might die, isn't it? See,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so keeping that in the mind, yes,
To
Sir
stop.
John doesn't want James' paper to be published, isn't it? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
So you are able to give the answers for this. What do the
Yeah,
two men finally decide to do? So what is that they have
so the
decided to do?
government finally
They have decided
decides to
to,
put
they have planned for what? They have planned for
Getting
international
more about
conference
comet.
of the experts. What is the plan of theirs? Yes, what is their plan? Yes, when they discuss, ultimately they decide that is not the two brains that is enough. They require more than two brains. They require the expertise of the experts, international experts, the scientists, bureaucrats, yes, politicians, all they should come together and they have to decide upon Yes, how, yes, they can come out with countermeasure. Okay, so here in this second part, let's go to that second part and let's see here the characters. Yes, here we come across first of all the one who has published the one who wanted to publish the research paper, the one who has written the, yes, research paper. And what is his name? Can you just tell me what is his name? The one who has written the research paper. And after that, what he has done? He has sent that research paper to the magazine, science magazine. And what is the name of that science magazine? Nature. Can you
Nature.
just tell me the
Nature,
name
sir.
of,
Nature.
what is his name?
John.
John's.
Sir John.
John.
John,
Sir
sir.
John.
John.
No, no, it's not Sir
Mr.
John.
John.
Is it Sir John? It's not Sir John.
No, sir.
It's
Only
a
John, sir.
James Fawcett, Dr.
Yes, sir.
James Fawcett. Now, there is a one more character that we have been introduced here. Yes, there is a one more character that we have been told about. Who is that person? Now, defense
Sir
Mike.
John
science
Macpherson.
advisor. What is his
John
name?
Mike.
John Macpherson.
Fawcett.
So, John
Person.
Macpherson is the one.
John Mike person.
John
John
Macpherson about
Mike
the,
person.
yes, John Macpherson. And then
Also
here,
here,
who is his science defense? And here, Sir John. So Sir John is John Macpherson, isn't it?
yes,
So
sir.
what is he?
Yes, sir.
He is
John
and
Mike
what is
person,
he?
sir.
He is a
Sir, the John Mike person.
defense science advisor. He's a defense science advisor to the British government. Her Majesty here, it is referring to the Queen. So Sir John Macpherson and Dr. James Fawcett. So you shouldn't get confused. So there are two characters here, very important characters. So they are having the discussions. One is a British scientist who wanted to publish, yes, his research paper in the magazine. What is the name of the magazine? Nature.
Nature.
And who is the editor of this magazine? What is his name? Taylor. But what he has done, Taylor, what he has done, he happens to be the friend of, yes,
Dear.
Sir, he
John.
had
And therefore,
edited
what he
that
has done, he
magazine.
has handed over this paper, this research paper, before publication. He has shown it to Sir John, and Sir John advises him not to publish because that would have created panicky situation in the whole world. Yes, I hope you understood the stories of the
Yes,
second
sir.
part. Have you understood the story of the second part?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
sir. Yes.
So what the characters there? Now here you see in the second part of the Comet 1, no reference to Manoj Datta. No reference
Why?
to
It was
Manoj
into
Datta.
nature.
And the first part, it is dealing with what? It is dealing with Manoj Datta's discovery of the comet. But
Yes,
second
sir.
part, the
In nature.
disastrous consequences or the yes, catastrophic effect of the collision of what? Of the comet with the earth. And then how they can, they can come out with countermeasures and ultimately both of them decide to have the international conference of the experts. So next period we are going to take up what? We are going to take up
Part
the
2.
second part. Yes, we
Part
are
2,
going to
sir.
take up about that. Yes.
And part 2.
Now we are going to discuss about the questions which are there in the first part. But what I'll do yes. Shall we go to that questions? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right.
Can
I
we
hope
listen?
you are able to give the answers for these questions
Okay, okay.
which are there in the first part. Right. So
Question.
we'll move on to the questions of the first part, which we had not discussed in the last period. So we'll take up those questions. So I hope you understood the first part. Why does Indrani Devi dislike Dattada's hubnumming with Dibya? Why he didn't like? Yes, can you just tell? Because
Sir,
yes,
because
Sir, she was
Dattada
jealous of
always.
that telescope, Divya.
That is true.
He
But
always spends
why
his
does
yes, sir.
free
Indrani
time
Devi
with
dislike?
Because
Because
Divyakshi
he was always
Dattara is
spending time.
always
and
He
does
was
always
not
always
pay attention to his
always
wife.
spending his time with what? With that
He does
telescope.
not
Shivan.
spend time with
So yes,
Indrani Devi.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You know, the
He
wives
was
usually
jealous
they
of the
want their husband to pay
children.
attention to them, but he was rather spending more time because most of the times he was engrossed with his research. So he was
Telescope.
spending his
Yes, sir.
time with the telescope.
Telescope.
She's
Yes, sir.
complaining and smiling. Why
Even
she's
I.
smiling? Why she's smiling? She's smiling because she calls, the telescope as Dibya. And she feels
Yes,
that
sir.
yes, as
Yes,
if
sir.
she's jealous of yes, that Dibya. Yes, you can come out with your own answer here, personal response answer.
Yes, sir.
Because
Sir,
yes, you can
because
have your own answer. Yes.
guilty on that and even I.
Yes. Okay,
He is
let's
a
move to the next
guilty
question.
on that.
What was Dattada's secret ambition? So, what was Dattada's secret ambition? Ambition
His
to
secret ambition
discover
was
a
to discover a comet.
very
Yes,
good to
sir.
discover a comet. Very
Discovering
important question. What did he do to achieve? When he wanted to achieve that, what did he do? He
Every
sir
night
bought
he would
started
he
sit at
bought a
his
telescope.
telescopes
Okay, bought a
telescope, sir. He
telescope
wanted
after the
and watch
retirement.
out in the sky.
Okay, and
telescope.
he was yes watching in the sky. He was starting. Okay, what did he do? He purchased
Telescope.
a telescope. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
difference
He
between a
purchased a
planet
new
and a comet as given in the
telescope.
story? So planet and a comet have eccentric yes orbit. A
Yes, a
planet they have
planet
got
has a
their
fixed
own
Sir, the
orbit,
planets
whereas
are
fixed.
comet doesn't have.
Yes,
comment
comet
because
doesn't have.
the planets will around the sun but the
Ah,
comments are there.
The
okay.
comet moves randomly, sir.
Yes, sir.
Comet moves
But the
randomly. That's
planets
an
will not
eccentric path it is given there. Very good. So why was Dattadas hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? So why
sir,
was
because
Dattada hopeful that see here in the case of a planet they have got a particular trajectory, they have got a particular path of orbiting, whereas a comet doesn't have that. So at a particular phase, it may suddenly come very near to the sun, and later it may go. It will be elliptical. Okay, no, in the case of planet, it is not the case. So why was Dattada hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? Why was
sir,
he hopeful?
because he had a
Ah.
confidence, sir. We
He
will
found something,
achieve it.
strange phenomena there, and that's why he felt that probably he would discover a new comet soon.
It's a new comment.
Why does Dattada say, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet? So why if because he was introvert and he was called by many and he had to attend many functions. Yes, and he was introvert. He never liked to mix up with people, isn't it? And
Yes,
why
sir.
is his wife unhappy about the discovery?
Sir,
Because she was
because
superstitious and she believed that the comets, whenever the comets appear, it is going to have catastrophic effect.
A
It's
bad
going to
impact
have
on Earth.
disastrous impact. So that is the
yes, sir.
reason why
That
the
and
wife
impact
was very unhappy.
he was very
Okay.
worried, sir. She was worried.
Yes.